Hello student, now we are going to study about geography paper 3rd, that is GG 203 practical geography paper 3rd, map projection. During this semester we have to study the practical geography, which includes the study of map projection. In this paper there are 4 units. Among them, the first unit is about the map projections, where we have to study 3 subtopics, and these topics are Introduction to Map Projection, which includes definition of map and globe, then parallels of latitudes, meridians of longitudes, great circles. Then another part of subtopic is definition of map projection, then necessity of map projection. Introduction to map projection. A method by which the curved surface of the earth is represented on a flat surface map. It involves construction of a plane surface of a graticule formed by 2 intersecting systems of line corresponding to the parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude on the earth. नकाशात संपूर्ण पृथ्वीचा किंवा पृथ्वीच्या काही भागाचा वक्राकार प्रदेश दर्शविलेला असतो. पृथ्वीगोलाच्या साहाय्याने पृथ्वीचे यथार्थ ज्ञान मिळते. Here, therefore, map projection is a systematic drawing of a plane, drawing of a parallels of a latitude and a meridians of longitude on a plane surface for the whole earth or part of it. Here, the network of the parallels and meridians so formed is called a graticule. The map projection is a systematic drawing of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitude and on a plane surface for the whole earth or part of it. Then the network of parallels and the meridians so formed is called a graticule. Graticule, वृत्तजाळी. अक्षवृत्ते व रेखावृत्ते यांच्या छेदन जाळीस वृत्तजाळी असे म्हणतात. Graticule is the network of lines of latitudes and longitudes. पृथ्वीगोलावर अक्षवृत्ते व रेखावृत्ते वर्तुळाकार असतात, तर नकाशावर अक्षवृत्ते व रेखावृत्ते सरळ रेषांनी दाखवलेले असतात. अक्षवृत्ते व रेखावृत्ते यांच्या छेदन जाळीवर संपूर्ण पृथ्वीचा किंवा पृथ्वीच्या काही भागाचा नकाशा तयार केलेला असतो. त्यास अक्षवृत्त व रेखावृत्त यांच्या छेदन जाळीस वृत्त जाळी असे म्हटले जाते. Then the definition of a map and a globe. A map is a representation to scale of either the whole earth or a part of it on a plane surface. Then the definition of globe. Globe is the true representation of the earth. पृथ्वीच्या खऱ्या चित्रणास म्हणजे यथार्थ चित्रणास पृथ्वीगोल असे म्हणतात. ग्लोब इज द ट्रू रेप्लिका ऑफ द अर्थ. तसेच पृथ्वीच्या प्रतिकृतीस पृथ्वीगोल असे म्हणतात. The globe is a spherical model of the whole earth. A globe represents all the aspects of the earth. The latitudes and longitudes are also correctly shown on a globe. Therefore, there are two types of globe. One is which represents the earth, called as terrestrial globe, and the another which represents celestial bodies called a celestial globe. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी दोन प्रकारचे पृथ्वीगोल असतात, टेरेस्ट्रियल ग्लोब आणि सेलेस्टियल ग्लोब. ए टेरेस्ट्रियल ग्लोब इज used for many purposes. अनेक उद्देशांसाठी टेरेस्ट्रियल ग्लोब वापरला जातो, जसे such as understanding the formation of day and night, then seasons, planetary winds, political boundaries, air and sea routes, etc. Then drawbacks of the globe. पृथ्वीगोलाचे काही दोष आहेत, काही गुण आहेत. पृथ्वीचा आकार घनाकृती असून तिला लांबी, रुंदी, उंची आहे. पृथ्वीगोल देखील त्रिमिती असल्याने पृथ्वीचे खरे चित्रण आहे. पृथ्वीवरील निरनिराळ्या ठिकाणांची सापेक्ष स्थिती बिनचूक समजते. म्हणजे हे मेरिट्स आहेत. हिअर these are the merits of globe. पृथ्वीवरील कोणत्याही प्रदेशातील अंतर, दिशा आणि क्षेत्रफळ यांची यथार्थ माहिती मिळते. Then the drawbacks or demerits of the globe are: a globe is a spherical body, so we can see only half of the globe at a glance. पृथ्वीगोलाच्या साहाय्याने एका दृष्टिक्षेपात संपूर्ण पृथ्वीचे दर्शन होत नाही. एका दृष्टिक्षेपात एका वेळी केवळ निम्मा भाग दृष्टीस येतो. Second drawback of the globe is it represents only some important geographical information of the earth. पृथ्वीगोल संपूर्ण पृथ्वीसाठी असल्यामुळे पृथ्वीगोलावर भौगोलिक घटकांचे वितरण माहिती विस्तृतपणे दाखविता येत नाही. Then, due to spherical shape of the globe, it is difficult to measure the distance between the points then it is difficult to carry the globe from place to place as compared to the map. पृथ्वीगोल जर मोठ्या आकाराचे असतील तर ते या ठिकाणाहून त्या ठिकाणी घेऊन जाण्यासाठी अवघड असतात. Then another drawback of the globe is no doubt the globe is useful, but it cannot compare with the map from the point of view of utility. For the example, tourism, regional planning, and so on. पर्यटक व प्रादेशिक नियोजनात पृथ्वीगोल फारसे उपयोगी ठरत नाहीत, जसे नकाशे ठरतात त्याप्रमाणे. Then map is one of the most important tool of geography. It represents complexity of geographical phenomena in a better way. Maps are the great sources of information. A map can be defined as a conventional representation to scale of the whole earth or part of it on a flat surface. The maps are classified as on the basis of a scale. Map can be classified into two groups, and these are uh, large scale maps and small scale maps. Large scale maps are cadastral maps and topographical maps. Small scale maps are wall maps, atlas maps, etc. These are the large scale maps. For the example, cadastral maps. These maps are prepared for showing the private property. They are used to demarcate the boundaries of land and buildings to show the record of ownership of land. They are prepared by the government agencies. The scale of the map varies from 1 centimeter to 40 meter to 1 centimeter to 20 meters. Then topographical maps, Bustal Darshak Nakashe. These maps are drawn on the scale of 1 centimeter to 250 meters to 1 centimeter to 2.5 kilometers. These maps represent natural and cultural features. Then small scale maps. Among the small scale maps, especially wall map. A wall map is used as a teaching aid in a classroom. Like atlas maps, wall maps are small scale maps, but the size of wall maps is larger than that of atlas map. Wall maps represent relief, vegetation, climate, soil types, roads, etc. Then atlas maps. A atlas is a bound volume of different types of maps arranged in a systematic order. They are drawn on a very small scale. An atlas map represents the world, countries, and continents. These maps depict various features such as relief, vegetation, soil types, distribution of minerals, crops, population distribution, etc. On the basis of purpose, the maps are classified into two types, and these types are physical maps and cultural maps. Physical maps are drawn for the natural features, for the example, vegetation, soil type, relief, etc. The cultural maps show the cultural or man-made features such as political maps, military maps, road maps, etc. In this way, there is a definition of map and a globe. The next part will be continued during the next lecture. Thank you.